Welcome back to another exciting episode of Sync Talks. I am your host Jogin Singh, and in this podcast we explore interesting topics. It's all about health and tourist and something and technology and spirituality. And in this way, many of inspiring ideas. This show is all about learning and sharing knowledge and having interesting session with the guest personalities. And today's topic is woman empowerment. And we all need about that the what the condition of the in this world of women. So we have a expert about that, our knowledge about that, how should women to face many problems of in this home and this world and different countries. So not wasting how much time, I invite Miss Gunjan. So, ma'am, how are you?
I'm good. And what about you,
I'm
Joget?
also fine. And so my first question of you. So, what is the meaning of woman empowerment?
So, according to me, women empowerment is the give the freedom to women because if they have freedom, they will be go in any other field and do a better that be best for our country also.
So, according to you, why are countries and all over the world they don't give the freedom for the women? So why?
It is because they think about women's are not safe in our country because in our family are care about the women and don't give them opportunity to go outside because they concern of their safety.
Because the talk about the different type of to be time and the timeline of the old ancient times they had also have a maternity something of that the period of at that time the actually is government sorry women condition is good according to till now.
No, if we compare to ancient child, the woman is now more have a freedom and now doing a good in their field. And also when we talk about maternity, about periods, and in this field also everyone go open minded, and government nowadays the government also give and tell to private sector that give leave for periods.
So according to you, ma'am, uh, does a woman to be a disadvantage of this situation, the government take a decision of maternity leave? So
There is no disadvantage of this.
because many of women they give the take a disadvantage of that because he have a leave and told a lie something of that.
Okay,
So
okay, now I understand. You are just saying what you are saying. Like they government talk about it, but they not just give a very good leaves because the casual leave already every employee take. They only give a 12 leave, and 12 leave is equal to casual leave, and there are no much advantage at if any girls take.
so because we talk about on Indian government, so we government takes so many decision of favor in women's and 30% and something of to be
Reservation.
reservation they gave the
Yes.
and for the women's according to you according to something of data of there's the expenses and explore and about data for women's are something of that in private sector in government many type of to be understand the woman problem so what they have to give the freedom from the home so because take a decision from the first off is our home.
Okay, so you are talking about that women give 30% 30% reservation in everywhere because government provide this because women are not in when we compare to past lives that women are not able to do go in every field, and when they go they face some difficulty because there is no woman in their field. So like we talk about the first woman educator is in our India, Savitribai Phule, and they are suffering from many. They are face many issue to come and go and teach women. So they provide 30% because of they just reduce some difficulties in their lives.
So because of the type of the freedom of the for the women and till now it is exactly same. So difference between 10 years and 10 20 years before.
Okay, then like we talk about that 20 years before, women are not able to take a decision and their mindset, and they, most of the women are not able to go to school and take classes and improve their personality by learning. So nowadays in every family, in every house, they allow women to go to school and learn and become a good and become an independent.
So there is good because actually take a government take a decision when for the women's and so my last question is what would you like to give the or your thoughts for the public opinion about that the viewers this watch this podcast.
Okay, so to the listeners, so I give you advice to uh, give the opportunity movements to go in and explore the world, and don't compare to yourself to women, because both are not same.
So if you like this video, understand the problem of the women's and women empowerment, how we should be that important for the women is for the world. Because so, if you and share this video, hit the bell icon and subscribe this channel, and enjoy this podcast. So, thank you so much.